How's it going?
Go get your license, registration, and insurance, pal.
Alright.
Is that currently registered?
Yeah.
Because that's not a valid ticket. That's 2021.
Oh, okay. You want me to get the registration out from under here?
You would, please.
Okay. Oh, God damn it. I can't seem to get the cover off. Are you able to just look it up?
Yeah, and it is expired by more than 3 years.
Oh, okay.
The speed you're going to get stuck with, the registration, if it in fact registered on the date you did, you can take it to court and challenge it in court and say, hey, it's registered. Basically, fix-it ticket. You walk in and it'd be like, I think $10 or $15 or whatever, and they're like, you show it was registered on the date,
Okay.
and they knock it down to $15 instead of the $111, I think it is.
What's that?
You have got to slow down.
Yeah, I got you.
This one's going to cost you a court date.
A court date?
30 miles an hour over, absolutely.
What'd you clock me at?
55.
You clocked me at 55?
25 mile an hour zone.
Alright.
And that's after you started slowing down. You ever got the ticket down here from us?
For what?
For anything.
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah, probably. Why?
No, I was just wondering if you're already in our system.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure I'm already in there. I've had a motorcycle since I was in high school, and fresh out of high school, 18 years old, I made a few bad decisions, and got a handful of tickets. But it's been a good few years since I've gotten any tickets, honestly. It seems like you guys have been real thick lately. Is that because of all the fatalities that have been going on?
We haven't been thick. I promise, we're usually short-handed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You guys have just been in different spots or something. Because I've probably seen like 40 cops in the last just couple of days.
I'll tell you right now, I sit there. Anytime I'm working, I'm sitting there.
Okay.
If I'm not doing something. Because we get complaint after complaint after complaint. People hauling ass. You have insurance on that?
No, it's paid off.
You're required to carry insurance, regardless of what payment you're on.
Oh, I don't think so.
I promise you. Every vehicle in the state of Florida is required to carry at least PIP and liability.
Okay. Alright, what you got for me?
So you're going to have 2 charges for court. One for your speed. The other is actually, you are not being physically arrested, but the other one does count as an arrest.
Okay.
Your tag, you were already given a citation 7 months ago for being expired by more than 6 months.
Okay. So, what does that mean? So you're not arresting me, but you're...
You don't have to physically go to jail. It's called a notice to appear.
Okay, well, I appreciate that.
You do need to call somebody to come get your bike though, because you can't drive that on the road.
Okay.
You got somebody that's got a trailer, or...
Yeah, I can call a couple people.
There's 2 court dates. You have 2 charges. One is for the 30 and the 25. That's an automatic court date anytime you hit 30 miles an hour or greater in speed.
Okay.
And the other one is for your second charge for driving a vehicle with a tag expired by more than 6 months is a criminal offense.
That's crazy. I've seen people with tags 7 years out of date.
Oh yeah, I mean, your first one is even at 7 years is still just a ticket and that's it. No criminal charge. Go get it registered, slap on the wrist. The second one is actually a criminal offense if you don't do it, if you get caught again. So, and each subsequent one is another criminal offense.
Interesting.
So that's what I was saying. Don't drive that anymore until you make sure you have a tag with a sticker and it is in our system as being registered.
Okay. Yeah, so the FHP that gave me one last week, then, hey, you're saying that was technically supposed to be whatever.
FHP got you that? Because it's not in our system yet, so it might not have dropped yet.
Interesting.
So yeah, that should be... he didn't give you a court date?
No, he just gave me a tag ticket.
Yeah, he should have given you a court date. He probably didn't look up your history. I did. That's why I take that back. That is, what is that one?
No proof of insurance.
Okay, yes. So if this one you said you're not going to be able to challenge because you know it's not insured. So that one, that's $111. No points on your license. It's not a moving violation.
Okay.
Both of these are court dates, 9 a.m., March the 5th. All right, so both of those you have to answer for in front of Judge.
Okay.
So make sure you don't miss court. If you miss court, they issue a warrant for your arrest. Well, like I said, that one ticket for the tag expiration, that is technically an arrest. So if you get asked, have you ever been arrested, you have to answer yes.
Well, yeah, that's crazy though, because for years, everybody, including like many officers, has even said you don't have to have insurance on the bike if it's paid off. Like, I want to say 6 or 7 different officers.
Yeah, I don't know why they told. Now I could be wrong. Let me Google, because if I screwed it up, I haven't submitted it yet. I can always retract it. So let me look. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Motor Florida. Motor. How old are you?
21. I'm sorry, 23. I'm 23, but because I thought it was like over 21 was the thing. Which I'm not trying to fight you on it here or anything.
No, I want to make sure we're right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Mm-hmm.
You want to ride in the Sunshine State, you need to be able to show proof of financial responsibility. If you cause an accident, you can do so by purchasing liability insurance, obtaining the surety bond, obtaining a certificate of self-insurance. The most common way to demonstrate financial responsibility is by purchasing liability insurance.
Okay. So in layman's terms, what does that mean?
Said you're actually not required, so let me go ahead and retract that one ticket.
Cool.
Which I think that was...
I believe it was the 111 ticket.
Yep. Alright, so let me see that one, the one that's the $111 one.
I believe it's this one. No proof of insurance.
Alright, you don't have to worry about that.
Well, that's cool. And that's extra.
Something new. I could have sworn that you had to have required insurance, but I'm wrong. So.
Well, that's I really appreciate that, and I'm glad that. Yeah, and that's really cool that we figured that out, and you were able to accept that.
I try to be fair, you know. I'm not trying to do something that ain't legit.
Yeah, I mean, I know there are some cops out there that would have got mad for something like that,
Well,
but
it ain't personal, man.
No.
Like, I don't look at that, you know.
Alrighty.
I just want you to do it the right way and be safe.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to come and tell your folks or your friends and your family that, hey, unfortunately, you're not here anymore.
Hey, we're just talking.
That would suck.
Trust me, I've went to 3 different funerals this month for fellow motorcyclists.
Did you know Bryant up in Tallahassee?
I didn't make it to his funeral because I was actually going to a different funeral that day for a buddy of mine.
I worked with him at FAM TV.